Hey guys, so the health company Vivo Life has decided to partner up with VegfestUK 2019, which I'm super excited to be a part of. So I'm going to be there both days, Saturday and Sunday, on the Vivo Life booth. And also, I'm going to be doing fitness panels, some speeches perhaps. So I'll be there and hope to see you guys there.
Just a quick note to let you know that the 26th and 27th of next month is London VegFest, sponsored by the awesome Vivo Life. I'll be there with the whole crew doing panel discussions, poncing about, and generally just acting fabulous. Come say hi.
Hey guys, it's Miles here from Healthy Crazy Cool, and I'm going to be at VegFest this year, both on the Saturday and the Sunday. So I hope you're all coming. Hope you've all got your tickets, and make sure you come by the Vivo Life store. Give me a big hug. We're going to have so much fun. There's so much good food to be eaten and so much other stuff too. So I'll see you all there.
The 6th and 27th of October, if I'm not mistaken. So go. Meet me there at the Vivo Life stand and the whole Vivo Life crew. And we're gonna hang out. We're gonna have an amazing time. But if you don't make it, no worries, because I'm gonna vlog daily. So also there. So
What's up guys, my name is Axel, and this year I will be at VegFest end of October together with the whole Vivo Life crew. So definitely come say hello, bring me some hummus. No, definitely, like, just come to VegFest and we will have a great time together.